I'm back. I'm doing some work. I'm getting things done today. Getting this mount completely done. This should only take about 5 minutes to get done.
Not done yet?
Cut the plate out, right? I'm cutting the plate out. Gonna weld that in, weld the nut on that, and then I'm gonna focus on this front mount. This front mount is gonna be probably the biggest pain because I gotta cut. I think I gotta drill out about 5 or 6 freaking spot welds. So once I get those spot welds popped out, it'll go a lot quicker. Well, not only that, I still gotta also do the mounts themselves. So
let's get her done.
Alright, about to weld this piece in that I just cut. We'll hammer tack her in here and get her done real quick. Nice little hammer tacks. Oh yeah, real nice. Back from copperhead. My big old head was in the way. You guys will deal with it.
Got a little bitty head.
Not when I was like following the camera. But I do got a small hand. In the pants too. Very nice. Alright, I need to switch to my other gloves though for sure. I felt the heat on the back side of my gloves so bad. Yeah, lighting's weird today. I never had a shadow above my head before. It's weird. Whatever. It's probably because of this new floodlight.
Where's the flood?
That's why I got my pants rolled up, boys.
We're lifted.
No, that's why I appreciate learning certain skills from certain people, because that weld is mint. I just got one more to do.
Shout out to who you learned it from.
You know what's funny? His name was Preacher on top of it. And then you know what his name was Preacher, and then he goes and hits me with, what about vertical handstands naked? What? I didn't even say vertical handstands naked. He's like, that'd be something to see though, wouldn't it? I guess, yeah. I'm not trying to see yours though.
I just do naked backflips.
Alright, I'm gonna impact that bad boy in there. I'm gonna impact that all the way up and then weld the nut down completely.
All I gotta say is if you don't like, comment, subscribe, PBR monster is gonna come for you. Mark my words.
As you can tell, new clothes, who dis? I'm just kidding. New day. I ended up not really filming much. I don't know, I wasn't really doing too much. I welded that in. I cleaned this all up. I cut the rest of this out. But I do actually have to go back and grind this completely off, and I am going to fabricate my last piece I need for my cab mount, because I actually cut this kicker panel area and I gotta put some new metal in there, which will come down about here to here to here, and then bam, there's that new inner kicker panel. Yep, gonna get some work done. Oh yeah. While I was working, I ended up nicking my fuel line. So not only did I cut that piece, I hit my fuel line, had to fix the braided hose. I don't even know where it is. Whatever. I ended up tossing it, and I just replaced it with a rubber line. I called it a day. I only got about 15 PSI of fuel pressure anyways. So, you know, there's that. Yeah, I was mad. I was real mad. I stopped recording. I was like, F this and that. I'm like, you know what? Just throw a rubber line on it. One on doubt, throw a rubber on. Yep. I wonder where that inner, whoa! I'm kind of contemplating on giving myself a little extra on my cutout because I don't know exactly where that inner rocker panel goes to. I gotta pull. So this is, that shit better not, that stuff better not went in my beard. Yep, whatever it is, I drank it. Pretty sure that's gonna sit just like that. I like that. I figured it out. I know what I'm doing. Well, I don't know what I'm doing, but I got an idea of what I want to do. Alright, let's cut this template out and see how it fits. Template to check this out. This is what I got so far, this piece. Yep. And it should be able to go right here. There we go. That kicker panel piece is complete, and the inner rocker can still get in there, and I can mount the cab mount to that. Sweet! Now, just gotta weld it in and put the cab mount in. Ha! Alright, let's do it!
Please let me down. Maybe I did you wrong before. I won't do you wrong no more. It's all I ever know. It's all I know. It's all I know. You really need
Nice. I don't even know how much of that you could actually see. I might put you over here so you can see down. Yeah, I want my gloves. I hate when I'm welding, all of a sudden you get a good burn or it really blows up and bam, you get a spark right to the finger. It sucks. Alright, I want to get a couple more things tacked up before I get rid of this post jack because it is irritating. I want it out of my way. Hopefully she'll be back at the right height again.